Today, we're ditching duplicate content headaches and boosting your website's SEO with a simple, yet powerful technique: adding a canonical tag using Google Tag Manager. First things first, let's head over to Google Tag Manager and log into your account. Once you're in, locate and click on your container. Next, click on the Tags section in the left-hand navigation menu. Here's where the magic happens. Now, hit that big, bright new button to create a new tag. This will open the configuration panel where we'll build our canonical tag. You'll want to give this tag a descriptive name, something like canonical tag website name. This step helps you stay organized. In the tag configuration section, select custom HTML. This allows us to insert the HTML needed for our canonical tag. In the custom HTML field, you'll write the HTML for your canonical tag. This is where you'll specify the preferred URL for the page. Now, you will need to replace the placeholder URL with your actual desired canonical URL. Make sure that your canonical URL is correct. This is essential. Next, move on to the triggering section and select choose a trigger to make this tag fire. Then choose all pages. This ensures that the canonical tag fires on every page of your website. Finally, click that save button. Your tag is now created. Before the tag goes live, don't forget to submit your changes. Click submit in the top right corner and publish the new version of your container. And that's it. You've successfully added a canonical tag using Google Tag Manager, helping search engines understand your preferred URL structure. Congratulations! You've taken a step towards SEO optimization. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more SEO and GTM tips.